In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in Airtable. This is really useful if you're working with deadlines, events, or any kind of schedule, and you want everyone on your team to see the same time, no matter where they are. First, open the Airtable base where you want to adjust the time zone. Look for a field that's set up as a date field. You can usually spot it because it shows dates and sometimes times in the records. Go to the top of that column and double-click on the field header. If double-clicking doesn't work for you, you can also click the little drop-down arrow on the field name and choose the option to edit the field. This will open the field configuration window, where we'll make all the changes. Inside this window, you'll see options related to how the date is displayed. To access time zone settings, you first need to make sure that time is included along with the date. Find the setting that says Include Time and toggle it on. Until you turn this on, Airtable treats the field as a date-only field, so the time zone controls won't appear. Once you enable time, you'll see additional options related to time formatting and time zones. Next, look for the setting that says Use the same time zone for all collaborators. Toggle this on if you want everyone to see the exact same time value, regardless of where they're located. This is ideal for shared schedules, launch dates, or any situation where a specific moment in time must be consistent across the globe. After you've enabled that option, you'll be able to choose your preferred time zone from a drop-down menu. By default, Airtable uses GMT, but you can scroll through and pick the time zone that best matches your team or your project. For example, select the region where your company is based or where most of your events are scheduled. Once selected, all times in that field will be stored and displayed using this unified time zone. If you decide to leave the Use the same time zone for all collaborators option turned off, Airtable will instead adjust the displayed time based on each user's local device or browser settings. That means someone in one country might see a different local time than someone in another country, even though they're looking at the same record. This can be convenient for personal reminders, but for shared schedules, it can create confusion, so choose the setting that fits your workflow best.